If you open an English grammar book, you will probably see 12 to 16 different tenses. And just looking at them makes me want to close the book and give up completely.
But here is the secret that no textbook will ever tell you. Native speakers actually only use 5 tenses in 95% of their daily conversations.
Wait, only 5? Are you serious?
Completely serious. Welcome back to English Around Us, the channel where we teach you the real English people actually use. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mark. And today we are saving you from the grammar trap. We are going to tell you the only 5 tenses you need for real conversations, job interviews, and friendships. I seriously need this. What is tense number 1?
Number 1 is the most important, the simple present. This is the tense of your identity.
The tense of my identity?
Yes, you use it for things you do regularly, facts, habits, and routines. When someone asks, "What do you do?" or "Where do you live?" you answer in the simple present.
Like, I drink coffee every morning.
Exactly. But here is a mistake I hear all the time. People say, "I am study English."
Oh, I have definitely made that mistake before.
It is super common. The rule is simple. For habits and facts, no am is needed. Just use the base verb. I eat, she eats. I study English.
Clean, simple, and direct. What is tense number 2?
Number 2 is present continuous. This is for action that is happening right now, in progress.
Like, I am learning English right now.
Perfect example. But here is the trick to remember the difference. Imagine your friend calls you. They can ask, "What do you do?" versus "What are you doing?"
Oh, what do you do means my job. What are you doing is right now, this second.
Yes, I teach English. That's my job. I am teaching a class right now. That is happening at this moment.
That is such a clear way to explain it.
And here is the secret power of present continuous. You can also use it for future plans.
Wait, future? But you use am?
Yes. When a plan is already arranged and decided, native speakers use present continuous. I'm flying to Tokyo next week, or we're having dinner tonight.
Wow, one tense doing 2 jobs. Very efficient. Okay, what is number 3?
Number 3 is the storyteller's best friend, the simple past.
The storyteller's best friend. I like that.
Anytime you are telling something that already happened, yesterday, last week, or when you were a child, simple past is your tense.
But this is where irregular verbs make me crazy. Go becomes went, come becomes came. Why can't it just be goed?
I feel you. I always tell my students that irregular verbs are like old family members. They have their own rules, and you just have to learn their names.
That is a really funny way to think about it.
Honestly, you don't need to memorize all of them at once. The most common ones are go, come, eat, see, buy, make, and take. If you learn just those, you can tell 90% of your stories.
That is so reassuring. Okay, tense number 4.
Number 4 changes everything. It makes you sound so much more natural. The present perfect.
Ooh, I know this one is tricky. Have plus something.
Yes, have or has plus the past participle. I have visited Paris, or she has eaten sushi before.
So when exactly do I use it?
Think of it like a bridge between the past and the present. You use it when the exact time does not matter, or when the experience connects to right now.
Ah, so if someone asks, have you ever tried Korean food? They don't care if it was last Tuesday or 5 years ago.
Exactly. They just want to know your experience. So you say, yes, I have tried it. But if you want to add the exact time, you switch back to simple past. I tried it last year when I visited Seoul.
That makes total sense. Present perfect for the experience, simple past for the time detail.
It is also great for recent news. The company has released a new product. It makes it feel fresh and connected to today.
This is so good. Okay, last one. Number 5.
Number 5 is simple future with will. This is your go-to tense for spontaneous decisions, predictions, and promises.
Like, I will call you later, or it will rain tomorrow.
Exactly. Clean, simple, and direct.
But how is that different from present continuous future? Like, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow?
I'm meeting my friend tomorrow was already planned in advance. I will meet you there is decided right now, in this moment.
Oh, so if my phone rings and a friend asks, "Can you help me move boxes this weekend?" I decide right then and say, sure, I will help you.
You nailed it. It's a spontaneous decision. But if you already knew about it before the call, you would say, yes, I'm helping you this weekend because it was already arranged.
This is a game changer. I used to use will for absolutely everything in the future.
Most learners do. People will still understand you, but knowing both makes you sound so much more natural.
Let's do a super fast review of all 5.
Let's use coffee. Number 1, simple present. I drink coffee every day. Number 2, present continuous. I am drinking coffee right now. Number 3, simple past. I drank coffee this morning. Number 4, present perfect. I have never drunk black coffee before. Number 5, simple future. I will drink coffee after this video.
I love that you used coffee for all 5.
Now imagine you are at a party and someone asks about your English. With just these 5 tenses, you can give one powerful answer. You can say, I study English every day. Right now, I am working on my grammar. I started 2 years ago. I have made a lot of progress, and one day I will speak English like a native.
Wow, 5 tenses? One perfectly clear, confident answer?
The goal isn't to impress people with complicated grammar. The goal is connection. These 5 tenses cover 95% of real conversations: work, travel, stories, and plans.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes. When you speak, people are listening to your story and your ideas, not your tenses.
Exactly. If this video helped you break free from the grammar trap today, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop real, daily content for the English Around Us family every single day.
Yes, every single day. And before you go, we have a fun challenge for you. Using any of the 5 tenses we talked about today, write one sentence about yourself in the comments.
Drop your sentence below. I study English because, or I have always wanted to. We read every single one.
Keep going, keep speaking, and remember, every sentence you say is a win. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.